If you make talking head videos, you already know that this part is exhausting. Not the talking part, but the editing part. Because recording the video is one thing. You know exactly what you have to say, you know where you're going, but the editing part comes along and then you have to cut all the pauses, fix the pacing, add captions, think of the B-roll you want to add, clean the audio, add sound effects, make everything more dynamic, and somehow turn your little messy raw clips into clips that people actually want to watch. And honestly, if you're a creator, this is where so much burnout is coming from, especially if you don't have a video editor. So in this video, I want to show you a tool that is built for this exact problem. It is called NemoVideo, a pro AI video editing agent. And I'm going to show you exactly how it took my raw, messy clips and turned them into a much faster, cleaner, and more engaging short video. So I'm going to show you the full workflow, my raw takes, uploading, editing, B-roll, captions, polish, and the final result, so you can use it for your clips too. So I created these videos for my social media for a collaboration with Elementor, and as you can see, I don't start the video right away. There are pauses. I also make mistakes. There is no B-roll, no nothing, and this is what I want to fix with NemoVideo. What you have to do is just go to NemoVideo and get started, start your account. I'm going to log in because I already have an account, and all you have to do is upload media to get started. So I'm going to upload my video. I'm going to upload this shorter one, and I'm just going to click create video. It analyzes the uploaded file, and then you can tell it exactly what to do, what to edit about it, what to edit in it. So it understands the media. This might take some time if your video is slightly longer. So it tells me exactly what the video is about. It took the hook from the video, the core message, and the CTA. So what would you like to do with the videos? And the first thing I'm going to tell it to do is cut the pauses and tighten the pacing. Because the cutting dead air, the removing awkward pauses, this is where you need to start with your video so you can make them more engaging. And NemoVideo just saves you so much time. You just tell it what to do and it does it for you. So once the dead pauses are out, everything feels more engaged. So this is where we're just getting started. It is inspecting the video and doing exactly what it's supposed to be doing. Here it tells you the things that it can do. So it can add captions, edit and trim, add B-rolls, or repurpose, so turning it into a different format, or add an intro or an outro. And it is giving you a preview of what's happening with the video. So it had been tightened from 57 seconds to 33, and it fixed the pacing, so let's take a look. The Elementor V4 editor is not just an update. It actually changes how websites are being designed. Most people think that Elementor V4 is just a newer version for Elementor, but the real change is that everything is a lot more structured. You have more reusable styling, clearer workflows, less chaos, and just building full sites as a pro. So if you're building websites really often, this is an update that really saves you a lot of time and effort. Not just designing, but editing and scaling as well. So comment Elementor and I'll send you the link for the new editor. This is perfect. Now it took me 3 tries. I don't know why it took so long to remove the pauses perfectly, but once you tell it what to do, it really understands what you need to do. So make sure to do that, check it. You can also make modifications yourself if you like, but the AI handles it. You just need to tell it what to do. Now, after the talking head part is being cleared up, this is where we're talking about B-roll because we want the video to be as engaging as possible. Now for the next part, I said add B-roll that supports the message. And I'm going to let it work on the B-roll. So the agent starts listening to your video and provides the exact visuals that you can add. This matters a lot for retention because talking head videos usually perform better when there are visuals on the screen that support the message that is being spoken. So if you're making visuals especially, the visual movement matters even more. Now let's take a look at what it generated. Elementor V4 editor is not just an update. It actually changes how websites are being designed. Most people think that Elementor V4 is just a newer version for Elementor, but the real change is that everything is a lot more structure. You have more reusable styling, clearer workflows, less chaos, and just building full sites as a pro. So if you're building websites really often, this is an update that really saves you a lot of time and effort. Not just designing, but editing and scaling of. I like it, but I don't want the B-roll to be absolutely everywhere, so I'm just going to delete some parts. I'm going to leave some of them. The B-roll generated was really nice, but I just don't want it everywhere. And the next part, I'm just going to say add dynamic captions. So captions matter because people, most of them, don't watch with sound, so it's really important that you add captions to your videos, your short videos. But captions in general help a lot with watch time, so it's really important that you add them. And with NemoVideo, those are added automatically and in the style of your video. Elementor before is just a newer version for Elementor, but the real change is that everything is a lot more structured. You have more reusable styling, clearer workflows, less chaos, and just building full sites as a pro. I'm just telling it what to modify for the captions, and it does this for me. The next thing you can do with NemoVideo is a one-click polish. So you can work on the audio, on the framing, on the color of the video. So you can say something like keep the face centered, improve the framing, color polish, audio cleanup, or just add some music sitting underneath properly. So this is what I'm going to do right now, because this is a part that usually takes a lot of editing time. But with NemoVideo, you can do this automatically right here. So it generated the music as well, and you will see the final clip really soon. Then NemoVideo is also great for the viral copilot feature. This is a part that I think a lot of creators will find interesting because NemoVideo is not just helping with editing, it has that copilot side where it helps with media understanding and idea breakdown. So for example, if I drop in a competitor TikTok or short form video, I let it analyze what's going on in there, and this is useful because if you know a video is performing well, you don't fully know why. So instead of just guessing, you can use it to break down the structure and pull out useful takeaways for my own content. So if you saw a viral video going on TikTok or Instagram and you want to know what the hook is, what the presentation in the video is, what the actual script is, NemoVideo just breaks it down for you so you know exactly what to apply for your own short videos to get better views. So now let me show you the difference between the video that was raw and the final video that was generated with NemoVideo and that was edited with this Pro AI agent. But the real change is that everything is a lot more structured. You have more reusable styling, clearer workflows, chaos, and just building full sites as a pro. So if you're building websites really often, this is an update that really saves you a lot of time and effort. Now, of course, the video was longer, but I just added a few seconds so you can see the difference it made for the captions, the video, the pacing, the cutting, the music, and the B-roll that it generated for us. So if you're somebody that posts a lot of short content consistently and you need help with editing, my suggestion is to try out NemoVideo for your video. It is focused on real creator pain points and it is not just generic editing and AI features. It really helps understand what your video is about, it breaks it down for you, and for talking head videos, it is a tool that you don't want to miss. So if you hate cutting out pauses manually, adding B-roll, adding music, captions, and all of those things yourself, try out NemoVideo at the link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you tried it out and what did you think of it for your raw clip. If you've enjoyed the video and it was helpful, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below to my channel for more such videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!